Okay, when picking out a chuck roast, this is what I do. I like to look and see the marbling, and if there's that hard grizzle spot in there, that's actually a pretty roast. And I try to watch for the price. This I wouldn't do at all. Nope. That one's nice, but no. This one here is a really nice roast, but I don't like that right there. But I love the marbling. So we're just gonna keep going. This one here, this is my winner. Look, it's got the beautiful marbling in it. Very little grizzle, whatever you want to call it. And yes, it's $13, but it's a good deal. Because it's going to make you up. It's going to shrink no matter what. Remember, what size roast you get, it's going to shrink down. So this is the best one I think I'm going to pick.